Hi everyone, roll this yarn around these two straws. Now we are going to tie it using this wire. Remove it and cut it. Similar way we are going to yarn, tie a knot, cut it and put the yellow flower at the center, and look, your beautiful yarn flower is ready. You can make more such colorful flowers. We are going to fold this wire and give it a shape of flamingo. Here we are going to make a 2 number and start rolling the threads around it. Here we are using white, black and pink thread. Similar way we are going to roll this thread around 3 fingers, tie it at the center, cut it and make a large pom-pom ball. Paste all of them together, make 2 such flamingos, and look, your decor piece is ready. Roll yarn around this ring like this, cover it. Now we are going to tie another thread on it and make a star shape. Now roll again and again like this. Then we are going to make a hanging. So roll the yarn around this heart shape, cut it, paste all of them together, and look, your wall hanging is ready. Cut this cloud shape from cardboard. Now roll yarn around 4 fingers, tie it at the center. Here we are making a pom-pom ball. Now we are going to cut it, make such colorful pom-pom balls and cover the cloud shape like this. Paste all the pom-pom balls. Similar way we are making the droplets using yarn, and look, your hanging is ready. Put these beads around this needle like this. Here we are going to braid it around this ring using this yellow yarn. Tie it like this and repeat the same process, and look, your ring with yarn decoration is ready. We are going to make more such pieces using colorful yarns like this, and look, it is ready. You can use it for various decor pieces. Draw this heart and cut it on the cardboard using a cutter. Remove it and cover it using this red yarn like this. Cover the entire heart shape and it's done. After this, we're going to make a frill. So roll the yarn around fingers, cut a more heart like this, paste all of them together and a flower as well, and look, it is ready. Roll yarn around 4 fingers. Now cut it and make small pieces like this. Put all of them one after another and put another yarn at the center like this. Similar way we are going to tie all the ends like this. Pull it downwards and comb them and tangle all the threads. Cut it and give it a shape of leaf, and look, your decor piece is ready. You can make more such colorful pieces. We are going to make this beautiful hanging using yarn. So cut a circle from cardboard. Now we are going to make small holes on it. Now roll this yarn around fingers, cut it and make pom-pom ball. Use a needle and thread, and look, your hanging is ready. Take this paper cup and make multiple cuts on it using scissors. Now spread it. After this, we are going to use green and white thread and give it a shape of checker like this. Roll it and braid like this to the top. Now cut the excess part and fold the paper cup. Paste a beautiful lace. Similar way, paste the handle, and your colorful basket is ready. Let's learn how to make pom-pom balls. Here we are making a beautiful green flower. So roll it around 2 fingers, tie a knot, cut it, and look, your pom-pom ball is ready. Put a stick at the center, cover it using frill tape, and look, your colorful flowers pom-pom balls are ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.